If you are looking for a simple way to sell digital products, courses, or memberships online, you have probably come across Payhip. But is it actually worth using in 2026? In this video, we will break down Payhip's features, pricing, pros, and cons so you can decide if it is the right platform for you. And for now, let's get into it. What is Payhip? Payhip is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that lets creators sell digital products like ebooks, PDFs, templates, online courses, memberships and subscriptions, coaching or services. It is designed for beginners, meaning you do not need coding or a website to get started. Key features. Now let's look at what Payhip actually offers. Number one, digital product selling. You can upload files like PDFs, videos, or software, and Payhip handles delivery automatically after purchase. It also includes secure file delivery, download limits, license key support, online courses. Payhip allows you to build and sell courses without needing a separate platform. You can upload lessons, organize modules, add videos, text, and downloads, drip content over time. It is not as advanced as dedicated platforms like Kajabi, but it works well for simple courses. Memberships and subscriptions. You can create recurring revenue by offering memberships. This includes monthly or yearly billing, protected member-only content, easy cancellation handling, built-in marketing tools. This is number 4. Payhip includes useful marketing features such as discount codes, affiliate system, let others promote your products for commission, email marketing integration, upselling, and cross-selling options. These tools help you grow without needing extra software. Simple storefront. You can either use Payhip's hosted storefront or embed Payhip into your existing website. The store design is clean but limited in customization compared to Shopify or Webflow. Tax handling. Payhip automatically handles VAT or VAT in the EU and UK, which is a big advantage for creators selling internationally. Pricing. Payhip has a very simple pricing model. Free plan, $0 per month, 5% transaction fee, all core features included. Plus plan, around $29 per month, 2% transaction fee, more customization and features. Pro plan, around $99 per month, 0 transaction fee, advanced features like priority support and full branding control. Key point, you can start completely free, but Payhip takes a cut unless you upgrade. Pros. Here's what Payhip does well. Very easy to use for beginners, no upfront cost to start, great for selling digital products, built-in affiliate system, handles VAT or VAT automatically, supports courses and memberships in one place, fast setup, you can launch in minutes. Cons. Now the downsides. Limited store customization, not ideal for large or complex businesses, transaction fees on the free plan. Course features are basic compared to platforms like Teachable or Kajabi, not as scalable for advanced e-commerce needs. So while it's great for beginners, it may feel limited as you grow. Conclusion and final verdict. So is Payhip worth it? Yes, if you are a beginner, creator, selling ebooks, templates, or digital downloads, wanting a quick and easy setup with no tech hustle, but it is not the best choice if you need advanced course building and if you want full design control and if you are building a large scale online business. Overall, Payhip is one of the simplest ways to start selling online quickly, especially for digital products. And that's all for today's review. If you found it helpful and useful, please make sure to like, subscribe, share this video to your friends, turn on the bell icon to get more honest platform comparisons and reviews. Thanks for watching and goodbye.